kuan sa mitar ha. Para sa school,
translation services.
Wow, thank you for sharing your thoughts, partner.
Yeah, you're welcome. Of course, our viewers and our listeners, they deserve to learn more about this because it is very important. Yeah.
So, partner, can I ask more?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so, partner, what if, in the communication,
Yeah.
anyway, what are the, how can you, what are
Challenge
the
naman siya.
common, what are the common, ilak na ikaw na lang ito. So, partner, so partner, what are the challenges of the communication? Can you give an example?
Yes, of course. So, in communication, there's a lot. There's huge conflicts, challenges, of course. But I want to specify this one, which is the language barriers. So, language barriers is that when you are communicating to others, but you have different languages usage of language. Like for example, I am Filipino, and you are probably Indian or Turkish, something like that. So yeah,
We're using the common language, which is the English, right? So we
Yes.
can communicate well.
Yeah, we can communicate well, but we all know that at some point of the world there is they don't study English language. Therefore, it is still a problem, the language barrier. So yeah, it is very common to all of us. Like for example, Bisaya and Tagalog, there were some common words, but they meant different meaning. So yeah, that's a problem.
Oh. So what if that is the case of, or if the problem? So how can you solve the conflict?
Yeah, so as what you said earlier, is that the English one, the universal language, guys, right? So for me, if I were to be someone who could contribute something, we should focus more on pushing English language on different countries, especially those Japan, in India, where English language is not really being studied. So, so that we could have something in common. And for, of course, if that is a big project, but we can also use translator.
Later, yeah.
Yeah, so social media, and of course the interpreter, right? Those people who have they are bilingual or yeah, people with having so much knowledge about communication and language. So that's it for that.
Wow. That's so, thank you for the wonderful,
Yeah. Well,
so, partner, thank you so much for sharing that thoughts. For sure, our viewers will, have lots of ideas from you that they get.
yes, of course. Because language. I mean, communication is very important, and you guys, all of us, deserve on how to have an idea and communicating to someone. It is very important, guys. So that's it for this episode, guys. So, partner.
Thank you so much for listening and viewing our.
Yes, our podcast. Yes. So, see you everyone on our next episode. And this is Casimari Pinsurga.
And Mary J. Zalweta.
And this is the Talk Podcast.
Pila kami next round. Sobra pa. Hindi namin maganda. Cut lang.
Cut lang 20.
Pila na yung mga minutes eh.
Okay.
Okay na lang kung ano yung log you out. I love you out.
Okay, ang daghan kayo.
4. Pero na may mga 4.
kuan intro.
Ano ba?
May una. Ang gulas na pa yung intro.
So, muna po. Go, guys. I-click lang na ninyo yung red button.
Alin na diri kaning kuan? Okay, sa mo gamit ang
Ikit.
Oh. Kani ka TMG mo ta okay, why ay kani kuan? White lang gud. May good lang.
Biasa sud live eh.
Kunin mo ka.